welcome to Learning with Python. Today we'll be learning about integers. This is just gonna be a quick introduction because integers are very important in mathematics, and that's why I add them together so we can do two things, or should I say, killing two birds with one stone. Alright, so what are integers? Integers are a whole number with no decimal points. So that's their rule. A whole number with no decimal points. It can be a negative or a regular number. That's the point of integers. Alright, before we get over the video, this video is going to be split to two parts. First, in this part, we're going to talk about addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so we are back in our new Python file, and we're going to type out our variable right now. Age, assign 12. Okay, let's try a F string. Alright, we print out our word. Okay, now let's start with math. Alright, we type out our variable without adding any special characters. Age plus 5. Okay, we'll print it. I forgot. Okay, it prints out the exact number with 12 plus 5. Alright, let's try something else different. Age minus 5, it will equals to 7. Okay, let's try times. Most of you guys will probably think we use the times symbol, the X, and add it in. But if we do that, it will throw an error. Traditionally, in most programming language, heck, all programming language, we use the asterisk, or as I like to call it, the flower star. It would show our result. Again, some of you guys think we will use the division symbol, but if we try this again, another error. And some of my Italian fans would probably think, oh, will you use this? Another error. So, a way to use division is to use this slash. But we cannot use any other slash like this. Or the line. Huh? What up? Wait a moment. I didn't notice this, but it's actually addition. Whoa, that's shocking. But we use the slash, and it'll show our result. It equals to 2.4. Alright, that's it with integers and math. So yeah, bye.